just because of things going on in the US that popped up in my mind when I read about your app was the whole data privacy thing. Because in the US now with the whole abortion thing, there people are concerned about tracking in particular
Yes.
menstrual cycles and things. So how are you handling the data privacy?
I've also read or followed some of that discourse, and I think that is a priority to make sure that users are able to trust we keep their data secure and private. So I currently for the backend we're using Superbase, so it already has some inbuilt privacy and so on. I'm both working with these engineers who have experience with health apps and privacy, and working engaged with lawyers who can advise us on complying with the right laws, including HIPAA, GDPR, which is the highest standard right now across the world. I think that's the most
Right.
stringent
Yeah.
privacy standard. So
Yeah.
our aim is to be compliant with GDPR as well. We're going to start out with complying with Indian data laws and then only go comply with other laws and make sure that we're not going to sell user data to third parties. I think we will have to, as every company, I think if the US government requests data, you do have to comply with that. But other than that, no, I think the core value is to maintain confidentiality and privacy, comply with the highest standards, which is like HIPAA, high trust, GDPR, and make sure that we maintain people's trust.